いや、いいイベントですね。相変わらずいい車が多いんです。Come here, man. Come watch the video with me. 皆さんに紹介したい友達がいます。What's up, dude? Tell everybody your name.
Salvador.
Salvador です。Can you say that? Salvador です。
Salvador.
です。はじめまして。はじめまして。
Hajime.
おー、
イエーイ
はい、日本語を覚えたいサルバドア君なんで、車大好きなので今日は一緒に回ります。Evo. Kim, nice Evo, huh?
It is.
Salvador, what do you think of this one? You like that Evo? Pretty cool, huh? かっこいいよね。Art Cube Evolution. かっこいい. When you see something in Japanese that you like, you gotta say, put your thumbs up and say かっこいい. Can you say that?
Kakoi.
かっこいい.
Ah,
You
nice.
got it, dude.
Nice.
Like your hair is かっこいい. Stop playing with that. これは? You know what kind of car this is? Whoa! ハルサンサスカイラインだと分かった. That's pretty good, dude. It's pretty nice, huh? Come on, let's go see it. それ次の車も RX-7 だと分かってた. You know your car, dude. This is a nice RX-7.
This is so nice.
I love that engine.
Love
Look at
this
that.
car.
You know what kind of engine that is? It's called a rotary engine. Rotary engine.
I don't know every.
So
Oh,
pretty.
it's okay, but if you see an RX-7, the original motor in that car would be a rotary engine. It's got what kind of engine is this car? A GTR engine. You got it. That's called an RB 25,
Six.
probably 26 on this one. RB 26. That's it. Very good, dude. 今日は誕生日だそうです。バーブラの彼女の誕生日なんで Happy birthday! Donut time, huh? Can I take a peek at your donut selection? Birthday donuts? うー甘そうすげえこれはもうアメリカの誕生日パーティーがあるおーこれが美味しいんじゃ This looks great! You got wrap What do they call those? Pigs in a blanket? That's what they call them, pigs in a blanket? Pilachi. I like the pigs in a blanket better. Nice. わーすげえドーナツわーめっちゃ甘い負担だったら朝一じゃなかったらこれ食べたいなと思うんだけどこうじゃなくてこれはこれじゃないですかこれは美味しそういいね How's your new house, Catherine?
It's great.
Are you enjoying it? You doing a lot of work?
Yeah.
You're
so
learning a
much
lot of
work.
stuff, aren't you? I bet. Is it fun though? Kind of rewarding, isn't it?
Yes. And I'm glad that both cars are in the garage.
I am glad
Yeah.
for you that both of your cars in the garage, nice and clean. Let's have a morning toast. Here. Oh, that's good. That's better than a sweet donut, in my
It
opinion,
is.
first thing in the morning. But
Yeah.
I may come back for one of those donuts too. All right, Catherine, nice seeing you.
Nice
Have a
seeing
nice
you.
day.
Bye.
Kim, I got something I want to show you.
What you got?
I got something I like, something new. Do you have any carbon fiber inside your car?
I actually do.
You
believe
do.
it or not.
Let's go to your vehicle.
Okay.
Carbon fiber inside the Beat, Kim. I got something I want to show you. Remember Simply Carbon Fiber?
Yes.
That awesome company that makes all the cool carbon fiber accessories? Like this?
Oh, ooh,
Look at that,
that's
Kim.
forged. Yeah.
You know what that is? That is forged carbon.
is
well,
nice.
I just didn't trade in. I had the woven carbon one, but look what I got now.
Oh, you got
I
money.
got the brand new forged carbon. Now in your car, you have, there's carbon fiber. It's not forged, it's woven. But man, do you know what's nice about this wallet, Kim?
What?
What's nice about this is when you drive a car like this, or you drive a car like my Lambo or any of this else, a regular wallet in your back pocket
You can't do it.
makes your back hurt, your butt hurt, and everything else. You know what's nice about this? Credit cards in, sleek and nice, cash in the side, compact, neat, and I haven't carried a wallet in my front pocket in years until I got this beautiful forged carbon fiber, simply carbon fiber money clip credit card holder. Absolutely awesome. Definitely check this out, guys. Great company, awesome piece. Kim, you need one of these too.
I do.
Maybe in woven carbon.
Maybe
for
that's what I was just
right?
gonna say. Instead of forged, do woven.
Forged, woven, either way, simply carbon fiber. It's awesome. Check them out. RX7 が多いんだよね。さっき1台、もう1台が出て、そして今、RX7FD と FC。この FC は見たことないような気がするんだけど、メッシュのホイールがかっこいいよね。内装はあっちゃんの車のオリジナル内装のこの色だったんだけどね。When we bought the kid's car, this was the color of his interior on his RX7FC, the burgundy. そして FC らしいサビ。All the FCs get the rust on the sunroof. Absolutely. かっこいいよ。これはあっちゃんの FC を思い出すんだよね。最初買った時にゴールドじゃないけど内装の色はこの赤というかワインレッドというかかっこいいね。Kim, you see what he's got on his front seat?
I see that.
What do you think he needs that
It's,
for?
well, you know,
It's a rotary. There's no LS in this one. That's for sure. Kim さんすごい。またスバルかっこいいスバルのある。
So nice.
Yeah, that is beautiful, man. Really, really nice. What eye is this called? This I know, but what is the eye called? This is a
Hawkeye.
Hawkeye. Did you know that, Kim?
Yes.
How'd you know that? Salvador, did you know that this is called a Hawkeye? This is a Subaru, right? You know that. An SDI that's called a Hawkeye. かっこいい。やっぱりスバルになるとブルーにゴールドの。そしてアイバンズパフォーマンスだよね。アイバンズパフォーマンス。Nice, man. I love it. You want? Can I hear it a little bit?
We should film the other
Woo! そしてナンバープレートもいいよね。キムさん見て。ブルーブルー。それはいいよね。スバルじゃなくてブルーバルー。かっけえ。Awesome car, man. And look who got this right here. Ivan's Performance. In God we trust. スバルはまだまだあります。かっこいいよね。やっぱりブルーもいいんだけど、白もいいよね。かっこいいよ。これあっちゃんが持ってた2015年式の STI だったのかな。同じ当時の。やっぱりアメリカでこれ日本のこのアクセサリーが人気なんだよね。まずつけてます。かっこいいよ。There's a good looking Subi right here too.
Yep.
Alright?
The wheels.
You like those wheels?
Yeah.
Those are nice, huh?
Like
Yeah.
that and then go.
すごいもう監督になってる。Let me see. So you're saying do a transition. Kim, he wants you to transition from the front to the back wheels.
Okay.
Ready?
Ready?
Go.
Go.
Well, that was pretty good, huh?
Should we try it
Good job,
again?
dude.
Is that what you're thinking?
キムさんかっこいい車出たんだよね。280Z この色。当時すんごいオリジナルだよね。ホイールもこの色。かっこいいよね。ダットさんの当時の1978年9年あたりのバンパー。アメリカのバンパー、このごついやつ。そして色。外の外装の色と内装の色もいいよね。Look inside of there, Kim. Look at those seats. Look at the plush velour in the middle of those brownish, reddish, brownish, goldish color seat, whatever you call this color. かっこいいよ。そしてルーバー。
The
後ろに
louvers. Yeah.
これはいいよ。やっぱり当時のね、これがあるとかっこいい。かっこいいと思います。ウィングもあるし、後ろのバンパー。これもアメリカの多分安全基準のことでこういうバンパーになった1978年9年あたりからどんどん大きくなった。正直にアメリカ人としてダサいっていう部分もあるんですよ。でもまあ振り返ってみるとなんか味わってるところもあるんだよ。日本にはなかったからこそ多分日本人はこういう見て好む人もいるんだろうなと思います。ドアガード。このドアガード。Remember those door guards? Right here, Kim, look.
All the way down.
車がね、他の人のドアにやられないようにこういうのがある。Yeah, they got it full on
All
this
the
car,
way down.
all the way down. かっこいい。めっちゃいい。かっこいい Z ですよ。気に入りました。This is one of the nicest 280Zs I've seen around.
It's
All
pretty
original
nice.
like that, Kim. Real nice. Let's take a picture of this car.
Let's do it.
いやかっこいい車いつもある。スバルの STI。 キムさん、これかっこいいホンダじゃないですか。シビック？シビックだよね、これ。おい、これはもう貴重な車なんだよ。You can't find these cars so much anymore, huh? Definitely not nice shape. すごいレアになってきて高い。交渉値段もどんどん上がってる中で、すごい。
Whoa!
Did you see this thing?
Whoa! That is wild! Holy cow! That is amazing!
トップってこの車はすごくない？これは
That's crazy!
Z? Is it a 350?
350, it looks like.
これ見たこと信じられないね。
That's cool.
今日の一番のいい車はキムさんの車すげえ。キムさん、ダルマセリカじゃないですか。これはセリカ、トヨタセリカのダルマセリカなんで、テキサスのナンバー、当時の1974年のナンバー、黄色いフォークランプ、このグリル、これはいい車だよ。初めて見たような気がします。色のさっきの Z みたいな色だよね。やっぱり当時こういう色が流行ってた。かっこいいパッケージシート、左半、中のダッシュが、メーターがすごいよな。Z よりトヨタのメーターの方がなんかたくさんあったような気がするんだけどね。Z よりかっこいいよ。これもいい。キムさんこれ見て。このデザイン。これを引っ張って入る。That's really cool, huh?
That is neat.
Did you ever look at those on the Celicas before? Very, very cool. セリカのロゴ。そしてこのルーバーやっぱり Z に just like the Z、このガスタンク、ガスドアがここにあるの。That is cool, huh? The rear louvers, like the 280Z. This is a little earlier generation, but color-wise, everything else was. これ見て。わーこのランプも The beauty of this car, Kim, right? すごい。すべてはいい。What do you think of this car? That's okay.
That's okay.
All right. This is from 1974. This car is almost as old as I am.
I wanted 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10. 10のうちは8が出たって。That's a good score, man. かっこいいよ。若い人にも旧車の良さもなんか伝わるっていうことなんだよね。Cool. Old cars are cool, aren't they?
Old cars are cool.
Yeah, they are. Nice. これはいいよ。キムさん、今日の一番かな。この車は。I think this is our best car of the day so
It's
far. Would you
amazing.
agree?
All right.
Unbelievable.
I have a soft spot
Watch
for
behind you,
Celica.
Kim. Watch behind you.
I have a soft spot for Celicas.
Me too, man. 車を大学生同士でこの車を作っちゃいました。今日軽自動車軍団が出てきた。すげえ車。興奮しすぎて。